I hope that you are all fine. Today, we shall discuss some remaining questions which are based on miscellaneous exercise. I hope that you all are understood everything about area and perimeter. Our today's session will be the last on the topic area and perimeter. So student, I think you get everything about area and perimeter. There is nothing left to teach you. You have seen in overall chapter there are only the uses of the formula of area and perimeter for some special type of figures. There are nothing more except these formulas. Okay, so that the area and perimeter is completely based on the lines and line segment, because in this chapter we have only seen the length of two or more line segment only, and using some special concept we find the region that are bounded by some certain figure. So student, our today's topic will be on the miscellaneous exercise. So please try to understand everything that the question say here. So let's see our first question. If the area of a square is 100 centimeter, if the area of a square is 100 centimeter square and the perimeter of the square is equal to the perimeter of an equilateral triangle. Then find the length of each side of the triangle. Okay student, this is the given question and let us see what does the question say. The question says that if the area of a square is 100 centimeter square and the perimeter of square is equal to the perimeter of equilateral triangle. The the perimeter of the square is equal to the perimeter of equilateral triangle. Then find the length of each of the triangle. So first of all, listen me carefully. This is a square, okay, having the area 100 centimeter square. So we know that the area of a square is side into side. So when we find its side, then we use the formula side into side. Okay, and after that we get the length of this square. Okay, and when we get the length, then we can find the perimeter of the square. And the perimeter of the square, as given in the question, is equal to the perimeter of the equilateral triangle. That means the length of the total boundary of the square is same as the length of the total boundary of this triangle. So we have to find out the length of the side of this triangle. Okay, so let us see how we solve this. We know that area of square is equal to side into side, and the area of square is given, that is 100 centimeter square. Therefore this will be 100 and this is equal to side into side. We can write 100 like this. 10 multiplied by 10 is equal to side into side. So from here we get the side of square as 10 centimeter. Therefore, the side is 10 centimeter. Okay. And now, according to the problem, perimeter of triangle is equal to perimeter of square. Okay. So we know that the perimeter of an equilateral triangle is 3 into side, and the perimeter of square is 4 into side. Okay, this is the perimeter of triangle and this is the perimeter of square. So here we have got the side of square as 10 centimeter. So we can write it 4 multiplied by 10 is equal to 40 centimeter. That is 3 into side is equal to 40. Here 3 is multiplied with side. So when 3 transferred to right side become divided, and hence here we get side is equal to 40 upon 3, and after solving we get 13.33 centimeter. 13.33 centimeter is the length of each side of the track. I hope it is clear to everyone. Okay. Now let us see one more question. What is the cost of carpeting a floor? The question is, what is the cost of carpeting carpeting a floor at the rate of 30 rupees per square meter? At the rate of 30 rupees per square meter. Per square meter. If the floor has a dimension, if a floor has a dimension of 28 meter by 32 meter. Okay, student. So this is the given question, and let's try to understand what does the question say. So listen me carefully. What is the cost of carpeting a floor at the rate of 30 rupees per square meter? We want to carpeting the floor. That means we want to keep a carpet on the floor. If the cost of 1 square meter is 30 rupees and we need to keep the total area of the floor. So first of all, we shall find out the area of the floor, and after getting the area of the floor, we shall multiply the area with 30. We get the total amount that required for carpeting the floor of the room. So here the rate of carpeting per square meter is equal to 30 rupees. Okay, is equal to 30 rupees. Area of room is equal to 28 multiplied by 32. Okay, so now let us see the multiplication. 28 multiplied by 32. 2 8 is 16. 2 2 is 4 plus 1 5. 3 8 is 24. 3 2 is 6 plus 2 8. So here we get 896 meter square. This is the area, and total cost will be equal to 896 multiplied by 30, because per square meter cost is 30 rupees. Therefore the cost of 896 square meter will be equal to 0, 3 6 are 18, 3 9 are 27, 27 plus 1 28, and 3 8 are 24, 24 plus 2 6. So we need 26,880 rupees for carpeting the total floor of the room. So student, I hope it is clear to everyone. If you have any doubt, please go to the comment section and mention there. I will clear in my next video. In the next video, I shall meet you with new chapter. Till then, goodbye.